Sorkar jela kelarai ben item sai iwe point sau acre ke jaka hagaban pynkynriah ya kilai spa sau pu arteli kilong yeng ka Them Metor na Them yo molong hagaban pau ya kajing sungus kem ban la ben no ya kani kakam hapo aktayo ba ar jong uklalin kot ar hajar ar pusau ya kani karai lapit benda hadin kajing yalang kabla penya da usimbut menteri rangba ka jela bakhmi ya kakam po yeng ba preston tinsong bat simbut menteri rangba ka tanat pen roisor ba snyo bhalang dhar lem ka kinhun nong yalam ka harijan panchayat committee ya ki balawan sunran da kinong mikhamat ka Delhi Gurudwara hne ka sungi palai hamin secretariat Habekren be kinong thok khobor uba preston uloong bakni ka jingalang kalong ka bayaj bayaj rinti Indra Shraban penkut la alat biang ya ka harijan panchayat committee sa sisin makan ya syong ya kren paramaki berban ya syong jingalang biang ha la niswa ka tayo ba ar uklalin kot banchim ra ya baro ki ai
ni ya ke jing ya kendu jongi bat ki khot jong ka HPC ka harijan committee nang te na po yo molong ka bakia wan rengkat ru bat u presiden ramba jong ka Delhi Gurudwara kiawan arngut representative agar nama bakini ru ide ki balong ba ka jing ki don ka concern kumno ban poi sya ka jing su thu jumut apdeng jongi ka government bat ki kilai don rengkat ban elektren bun ki ki isu bat ka bang pa banong ni ngin nampat la ban batai ki isu ki bilai discuss nawar ba menta na kaliang jong kiru ki panpor sa katu kan ni tayo bakin dang ya discuss biang rengkat baki paranong song sdong jok yang te ngiyo i ba ka jing kren kalong ka basngotna ka basaiso bat ngilaya rai langru da ka ju ka surba hapo jong katayo ka baa une u benai Januari u benai benungkong u ar hajar ar pusau ngin ye kendu biang sai sisin pat ban ngakremen sken ba hakata ka jing kendu ngin poi sundon syaka bakut jong ka meeting nani ka jing kendu jogi kata ka de ka bangirai mentaka bit ka location kan ni ka jaka kolong kumni ka tu ka existing ka badon menta ka don kumba ar ekar point 14 mo te ka bamenta just opposite to that na yang tu ka existing syakawi pak surok syaka persyak surok pada kadon syakawi ka bashi ekar sau per 1.4 acre tinggi at ya kata kolong kumba around 3.6 acres agak bomban date nama bablai ngong pi pila sutu ba kidon sa life pa sa our families but ni haban le ru kini ki high rise building te ngiyo ngilap ba kampadap kadang rit kejakan kadang ni aisu ya kejaka sa 1.4 acres namang ikwa kumong ong pingal ada pongteng ba kejingkwa jogin government habangi ong relocation habangi ong shifting kan long big complete na dok shadow
this is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points we have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January.
Okay. Can you tell us those few points that
No, that I can't tell you, but yes, the meeting was on a good note. Hopefully they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached. So see, there is no point which we can tell you that what are to be discussed. That those are the internal points which I think they will discuss with their people, and then definitely will inform and disclose to the media. But first, let them discuss with their people. HPC will discuss and will tell to the media.